Here we have the Focus 1.6 16 valve SE engine. Now I've had a problem all week with this alternator. The end of this bolt takes an E8 and it's snapped. And I have tried every single thing to do it and nothing will work. I've tried this, which is a Tang stud extractor. That was £50, that didn't work. Somebody said get one of the best mill grips you can get out there, which is the Arwin full size ones. Didn't work. I tried this Kudu for here, another expensive tool. It worked, but I had to wiggle the alternator off and cut the belt down there to happen, and as you can see, it is actually coming out, which if that didn't come out, I'd had a lot of problems. Release this. There. As you can see, it's coming out of it. It looks like the bolt's bent. Yeah, it's actually alright, that screwing in fine. Yeah, tight that. So, if you want to know how to get it off, that's how you do it.